The Jacoosa Smartwatch is not only a smartwatch that has the capability to answer, make calls, give you text notifications, but it also is a fitness watch, including 120 different sports modes. It is waterproof, does have a heart rate and sleep monitor, as well as activity trackers. Now, the great thing about this is that it does connect with iOS or Android devices. And the Bluetooth voice calling assist makes it easy to directly answer calls right from the watch, make a phone call from the watch, and it also has text and smart notifications, whether it's notifying you about text messages, emails, or any apps that you have on your iPhone. It has an outstanding battery life, which gives you about 7 days usage and only 2 hours charging time total. It has a 1.85 HD resolution screen, and the fitness tracker makes it easy to monitor your heart rate, blood oxygen level, or any fitness data that you may need, as well as those 120 different sports modes to track your fitness and activity level. So if you're looking for a smartwatch to do it all, this one is perfect for you.